If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on any Motorola, we need to go to Settings. Next over here in Settings, find Personalize. And then in Personalize option, we should be able to tap on the current lock screen wallpaper in here. And then we're going to choose My Photos. Now over here we can choose the photo that you wish to set as the wallpaper. So let's say I'm going to choose this one and tap on Done. And there we go. We can press Set immediately after that if you want to. You can also go through all of these different options. And you can also, for example, zoom in and zoom out and change the position in case you want to do so. If you cannot change around, if you cannot move the photo around, you can tap on this icon in the upper right corner and then you should be able to do so, I believe. At least we should be able to do so. I'm not sure why I cannot do this anymore. But let's tap on Set and we can set it for the home screen, lock screen, or both. Besides that, if needed, you can of course tap on the home screen or lock screen and you should still be able to make some further adjustments. And there we go. So now let's go to the home screen. As you can see, the wallpaper is set up. Leave a like and subscribe.